not too many people get to experience this wonderful chef's expertise as I do. So my wife decided to make this Bolognese. I thought it was just the sauce at first, but I guess it's the whole dish as she explained it to me. I didn't know that it was going to be like this mouth explosion of different seasonings and, different blends of spices and, a homemade sauce that I had never had in my life. It's just wonderful to see her in action, as she blends together all of this wonderful food and all the wonderful seasonings together. It's just, I get the first dibs on everything that comes off the stove, everything that comes out of the oven, everything that she creates when she wakes up, and the first thing that comes to her mind is food and what can I create today. I get first dibs. I'm blessed, you may say. Yeah, I'm blessed because she is a great chef. She is a wonderful, 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 wonderful. How many times can I say wonderful? I don't know, but I'm going to say wonderful again. She's just a wonderful person. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but being married to a chef is kind of like, it's kind of like chef and God, if I may describe it, especially when you're married to a great chef. So as you can see, she's blending this beautiful sauce together for this Bolognese. I had to say it correctly, like we in Paris, Bolognese, or Italy, or wherever we at. It's still good. But as you can see, in the end, the results are beautiful. The taste buds are very pleased.